السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. تو گائز آج ہم کھیلنے جا رہے ہیں نیڈ فار اسپیڈ پے بیک. تو بغیر کسی شور شرابے کے اس کے بھی
Not
پلے
bad,
کو
Tyler,
انجوائے
but
کریں.
you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet.
First to the airfield wins. You didn't say nothing about roads. I'll be waiting for you guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
This is us being friendly.
Last one watches rap cars. This is serious business.
I haven't seen Max this excited since the Veneto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Time to kick this up a notch.
Heads up!
That was a sick jump.
Bel-Air, honey, let's make you fly. We are clear for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you. You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You've done the impossible, Jet. You shut up, Matt.
I'm shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winning.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
Nice moves.
Don't expect that to work next time.
Always one step ahead, buddy.
It's done, Morgan. You'll be driving the prize. You and your crew better pull this off.
See, what did I say? Lena Navarro is the best damn fixer in Silver Rock. Yeah. I'm liking how she sounds, Rav.
You built this all yourself?
Given enough time and attention, an artist can turn any pile of scrap into a supercar.
Okay, guys. You know what we do now.
Party?
Practice.
Let's roll.
Rav, the kick on this thing is out of this world.
Better learn to handle it if you're gonna pull off this job. The prize car has double that horsepower.
Rap's right. Let's make sure you're ready for the heist. You got time for the race, Navarro. Your part's done. We'll handle the hard stuff.
So, Pipe, what are you gonna do when we make bank?
One thing at a time, focusing on the job.
I've been busting my ass out here for 3 years. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm gonna fly in my dad's 65 Mustang, fix it up like new, then put together the best drift field in Fortune Valley. Jeff, how about you?
Got some serious debts I'll finally get rid of. Might start my own shop with what's left.
Need Tyler? Easy.
Fine. Get the perfect ride, spec it as high as it'll go, and get myself into the ultimate race.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
How about you, Lena?
I'm getting out of this hellhole.
Where you go?
Up.
What? Silver Rock Station.
You didn't grow up in the barrio. Tyler and I did.
Wasn't all that. Made me who I am.
My point exactly. Come on, Tyler. Gotta push harder.
Relax, Lena. You know I can do this. It's why you agreed to the job.
You're about to race and lift a hypercar loaded with prototype black market tech. Do not tell me to relax.
jumping skills, bruv?
Yeah, where are you?
Coming through. Oh, yeah. Alright, bro. Pull off that jump on the job, and we'll be golden.
I hope so.
Baby birds learning to fly. I'm so proud.
Miss me? You've got a nice stretch of road ahead. Push this thing as hard as you can. See if you can keep her under control.
Thought you'd never ask.
Every gang in town wants their hands on the prototype taking that car.
I'm sure. But they're not getting the car until I take a peek under the hood myself.
I used up every favor and contact I have getting you into the driver's seat of this race. You cannot fail.
Guys, nothing to worry about. This crew right here, we're the best this city's ever seen.
Time to make us some money.
We got this, guys.
Fortune Valley, a gambler's paradise in the desert. You can buy anything here, even luck. Let the rich play with cards and dice. Those of us born in the shadow of the casinos, we take our chances at 100 miles an hour.
Everyone in position? Jess?
Standing by outside the circuit.
Mac?
Mac Attack is ready to roll.
You named your truck the Mac Attack?
She named herself.
Raph, just get the car to me and I'll take care of the rest.
Time to make us all rich, Tyler.
I got eyes on the mark. The gambler's here.
Well, look at that. It is a beautiful day for a race. I've got you at 4-to-1 odds of taking first place. Now, I know this prototype won't let me down. The question is, can you handle her? Those electric motors and twin-turbo V8 will give you a combined...
1,500 horsepower. Yeah, I can handle it.
Woohoo! Good boy! You've done your homework. Now listen, second place doesn't get me jack. Got it? You seem like a hot hand. Don't screw this up, all right, hotshot?
Do you suspect anything?
Not a thing.
Whoa, the power and torque on this thing. Rap's souped-up Mustang doesn't even come close.
Tyler, you're like a brother to me, but I hate you so much right now.
They say you're the best racer in town, Morgan. Prove it.
This is a sanctioned race, all right.
Sure ain't no street race. Good thing we're here to crash the party.
Mac, I'm coming up on the rendezvous. Better be in position.
I'm almost there.
Almost. Mac.
Just line her up and floor it. Trust me.
This is it, guys. Don't mess this up.
Mac, coming in hot.
One launch pad coming up. Houston, we have liftoff.
Jump a $2 million hypercar. Check.
Can I mention again how much I hate you?
That's our paycheck you're driving, Morgan. Get that cart around. All units be on the lookout for a silver Koenigsegg Regera. Vehicle is of extremely high value.
Control, weapons installed Regera code 3.
All units in pursuit be advised. Due to the Regera's high value, you are to arrest the subject with minimal damage.
Jazz got cops on my 6.
Whatever you're thinking of, stop. You're bringing the car back to me right now.
You mad?
Oh, he mad.
Now heading southbound to Billionaire's Row.
Copy. Subject traveling southbound through Billionaire's Row.
813, we got them. They're Billionaire's Row.
All units 1 out of 13 have resumed pursuit of the subject.
Now heading eastbound, approaching Silver Rock East.
Jazz, where are you?
Hold on!
Jazz?
Got your back, big guy.
One down, half a precinct to go.
You worried?
With you, never.
Control, entry to the dark. EM7 revving our cars, requesting additional units on the Regera.
Copy out of 13, stay on the M5.
They're gonna lock down the whole sector. Better get rid of them fast.
Got them on the hook. Gonna lead them away from you. Good luck with those repairs.
Heavily monitor mobile units and resist arrest.
Copy, Adam 13. All standard pursuit tactics are go for the M5. Morgan, why haven't you got the car to grab yet?
Still got a few cops on me. I got Find a way to disappear fast.
I've got an idea. Ty, Jess, come to me.
On my way.
See you there. Where are you? I'm almost there.
Me too. Mac, you got this?
Time to get you the hell out of here.
Yeah, we got this. Time to get the price around.
Bring it home, bro.
I'll keep the cops busy, Ty. Go! Nice driving, Morgan. Glad I took a chance on your crew.
Tyler Morgan, 23 years old, mother Sylvia Morgan, father unknown. So sad, 6 months in juvenile for reckless driving.
I'm the best racer in town in one of the fastest cars in the world. Good luck catching me.
You don't want to roll that dice.
What the hell?
What's going on?
I'm on my way.
Rev.
The street races are here. I saw them take that car. Thank you, officer.
What have you done?
Didn't Rev tell you what's under that hood? My buyers are paying a fortune for it.
You'll never get away with this, Navarro!
Cops are on their way. The house sends their regards.
Hey, what happened here?
Navarro. Mac, get him help. I'll draw the cops. Go!
Ty, what are you doing?
Drawing the cops away.
Come on, that's my job.
I brought Navarro on board. This is on me. Just get Mac and Rev to safety.
I've got a police scanner, RAV GPS tracker. At least let me help you. Head towards this spillway, but you've gotta hurry. Cops are locking down the sector.
That's it, you bastards! Come at me! Come at me!
One out of 6. Cops, straight ahead. Take a right.
Subject now westbound through the barrio.
All units. 1 out of... Take a left through the lot. No units. Please respond.
Subject just ran me.
Copied. You're halfway there, Ty. Don't give up.
Never.
Lots more roadblocks. Hard right, then a left at the next corner.
Subject now westbound on I-34 Amber Valley Parkway.
Subject westbound on I-34 Amber Valley Parkway. Keep going towards the spillway.
Where are you, bro?
Doesn't matter. Is Rev okay?
I'm not sure, Ty.
He'll make it.
Of course you will. You have to.
Now head eastbound approaching Silverado West.
Almost there.
Jump down on the spillway. Lost sight.
Copy out of 13.
Cops are off my back. Your plan worked, Jess.
You're doing good, Ty, but now's not the time to relax. The cops have massive backup incoming. They're putting the entire city on lockdown.
How you like that? Jess, I got unmarked cars on me.
What? Where do they come from?
They're boxing me in.
Get out of your car! Tyler!
Hell.
Where's the car?
Lena Navarro. She played us both and took it for the house.
Did she? You're useless to me. Enjoy prison. Although, you'll want revenge. So will I. Yeah, this'll work. You'll be the ace, but I'm the one who holds the cards.
What are you talking about?
Hear that? Cops are almost here. Go to jail or Work for me. Eat, sleep, drive when I say, and when the time is right, you get what you want.
Do I have a choice?
There's always a choice. Get in.
Say you pull up next to a real sweet ride. What do you think? How much does it cost? How fast can it hit 100? I tell you what I think. I see potential. I see the knife's edge of control, that split second where I put everything on the line. I see myself winning it all.
Morgan! The boss would like his car now.
Yeah. I'll be right there.
Let's have a little fun.
The boss is meeting some big player from the house today. They're taking over the city block by block. The boss's car better be there when it's over.
You kidding? I got some speed trap towns I've been itching to post. It's not every day I get to take Rear's DB11 for a spin.
That's what the boss gets for hiring racers.
I don't race anymore, remember? That's the deal. No more racing or my ass goes straight to jail.
Oh, too bad. The house pays big money for dudes to throw races these days. You don't even need to compete anymore.
Well, what's the point if they tell you who wins and who loses?
Money, bro! It'd be real nice.
Let's see how fast this baby can go. Damn, that feels good.
What do you say? This guy's number.
Not interested. Time to kick it up a notch.
Hey, Tyler! The boss doesn't pay you to just mess around, man. Guess you really don't want this job, huh?
Tyler, where's my car?
Don't worry, Weir. I'm not stealing this one.
Is that how you treat your friends, Tyler? Huh? Well, no wonder your crew deserted you, huh?
That's not how it went down.
Yeah, I bet they can't wait to hear from you, huh? Your perfect heist fell apart and your whole crew became the most wanted little gang in all of Fortune Valley. Miller's had to sell out driving petty criminals to McKenzie. I even heard a little rumor that McAllister's driving for the house these days. And your mechanic? Ah, poor old Raph. You think they'll ever take your calls again? Tyler, come on, listen to me. I'm the only friend you got right now. You will get your revenge on Navarro, and I will get my car back. But you have to be patient, understand? The pieces are just about to fall into place. Okay, I'll take that as a yes. Now get back here before I fire your ass.
God damn it!
What was that, dude? That did not sound good.
This is gonna...
Navarro. What the hell?
Clock's ticking, Rear. You sell the casino or we'll take it from you.
Great chat. Enjoyed the ride, Tyler? Look, now's not the time, kid. I say when the cards get played.
It's been 6 months.
Get out. If you so much as dinged my car, I'm knocking you down the garbage truck, Tootie.
Okay, Ty. Time to go home. Just a quick drive home, then I can finally get out of this monkey suit.
Tyler. Hey, bad news, bro. Boss is docking your pay. He found a scratch on the F-Type you drove yesterday.
What? I did not dent that Jag.
Really? I don't make the rules.
Look, man, you gotta help me out. I'm 2 months late on rent.
Hey, you think I made money? Did you see a Porsche badge on my ass? You're crap, bro. Deal with it.
Godspeed, racers. This is your curator, and you're listening to the voice of the streets, streaming at you from the wilds of Fortune Valley. The streets are calling. They're full of tired, run-down commuters right now, but you're not part of the rat race, are you? You're racers. Who among you can tame this city? Who among you can handle the rush? Do you have what it takes? It is the season of speed. The Outlaws Rush is coming to Fortune Valley. Only the best of the best can run it. Only the best of the best will win it. Could it be you?
The Outlaws Rush? Yeah, as if. I can't keep going like this. I should be out there taking on Navarro. I'm wasting my time with the gambler. It's Ty. About those street races. Give me the number.
So, I hear we got a wannabe contender to race for the house, huh?
No, just give me a time and a place.
Whoa, slow down. You think the house hires just anybody? You'll have to prove yourself first. Show me what you've got in some races around town, and you'll get your shot. Okay, big shot. Time for your first test. Win and you'll move on.
Time to crush this! Hold yourself together, Ty. Running out of time here. Stay in control. That's how it's done.
Okay, not bad. Maybe the house can use someone like you. The better the racer, the more convincing it is when you take the fall.
You know I'm good enough for the house.
Maybe not. But one good race, I've been through. I've got you signed up for one more race with some serious contenders. Do well there, and it'll mean something.
Consider it done.
this is the voice of the streets. The streets continue to whisper to me. They whisper least likely could.
This is it. Win here and you'll get your chance to race for the boss.
Go time! Warm-up's over. Win the last lap now. What did I tell you? I win again.
Fine. You proved you can drive. We're setting you up with a new ride so you look the part. Navarro is building a new order on the streets, and if you do well with us, you can be part of it. But the house is a business. Don't you forget it.
I sure won't.
Good. Welcome to the house. Enjoy the new ride, Morgan. Make sure you get a feel for it before you put it to work. The big race is going to go down in Boomville. I'll tell you more when you get there.
All right, I got this. Navarro, I'm coming for you.
Godspeed Racers, this is your curator, reminding you to go out and explore. Why dash right away to your next race? Take a drive around Silver Rock, post a score on an activity or 3. There's plenty to do out there to keep you busy and build your rep. Racers, this is the voice of the streets. The streets continue to whisper to me. They whisper of races where the least likely contender wins, where the strongest racers make that one critical mistake to give up victory. It's not unheard of to win on the long odds once, but what do you say when it happens again the next night, friends? In Westside, and then again in Boonville, and again in Lakeside? There's something rotten in this city, and I, your curator, will find out what.
Yeah, I have an idea. Hope you enjoyed being on top, Lena. Your race rigging business ends tonight.
This is it. Welcome to the big time. Hope you like your new ride. Your code name is Sidewinder. Stay on this channel and do what the boss tells you, and she'll make it worth your while.
Sidewinder. Got it.
House Racers, the fix is in. Tonight's winner will be Kingston. Let him lead after the halfway point.
Feels good to be back. Time to crush Navarro. Wonder which one of you's King Snake. Oh well, guess I'll have to beat all of you.
Hey, you thought I wasn't watching you? I know what you're doing, and it is not our deal. I say when the cards come down, remember?
I got tired of waiting. I'm taking care of business.
Halfway point's coming up, Sidewinder. Time to let King Snake pass you.
No deal, Navarro.
Who is this?
You know what? Fine. Take this win and enjoy it. But get the hell out after. You're my ace in the hole.
That's the plan.
I don't know who you are, Sidewinder, but you're gonna regret this.
Your rigged races are done, Navarro.
Tyler Morgan?
What is it, Weir?
Okay, enjoy the win, but remember, I need you alive.
Gig's up, Lena.
Your little stunt cost a lot of people a lot of money, Tyler. You just messed with the house. We run this city, streets included. Every race, every midnight run, every off-road rally. And the house always wins.
Well, not tonight, it didn't.
Mr. Navarro, we can't do this here.
I'll see you around.
Make sure he never gets home.
Bring Morgan to me. Do not let him get away. Understood?
Consider it done. Oh, you magnificent idiot. The house is throwing a fit because of you.
Good.
No, not good. Bad. I need you alive for the next part. Ditch the enforcers, then me.
Oh, Tyler, you could have been somebody. And now that you've crossed me...
You crossed us, Navarro. I'm just getting started.
The city's best racer. You're so naive. There's a reason you were the perfect mark.
Happy now?
Morgan, stop.
You have nowhere to run. We own this city now. The stakes are too high to leave anything to chance anymore.
Racing's never about chance. That's why you have to rig it. Get out of here.
What? Taking
He's got some moves, but we'll get him.
You better. You're the one who brought him in.
Come on, man.
What the hell are you doing? I've got places to be.
Sorry, I'm busy dodging a bunch of pissed off thugs.
Don't apologize. Get rid of them.
Out of my way! We got him.
There, I lost him.
Good. I'm sending you my location.
Almost there.
Yeah, about time. We've got a lot to do.
I took care of it. No bookie's gonna trust Navarro after tonight.
Is that what you think? You're adorable. Her boss owns them all, Tyler. She doesn't need their trust.
I'll find a way.
Yes, there is a way. Me.
Imagine a city where risk is an illusion and every bet is rigged. That's what the house wants, and they'll stop at nothing until they get it.
I'm a street racer. This has nothing to do with me.
What? No. This has everything to do with you. Everything. Their leader is called the Collector, and he's got one addiction. Cars. You ever heard of the Outlaws Rush?
Biggest street race in the country.
Yeah, it is, and the house is gonna rig it. High rollers putting millions on their man, and he takes a cut from it all. Tonight was just a test run, and your little stunt gave me an idea.
Oh?
Look, I've seen you drive. You're the best racer this city has. All we have to do is get you in. Win the Outlaws Rush, and the house and Navarro come crashing down.
Bring down the house?
Yeah.
Not my fight. Save your casino yourself.
These are your streets, right? Then this is your fight. What do you think they'll come for next?
Come on, Tyler. Time to go home and think this over.
Look at you bastards! They know I gave you the number. I vouched for you. Guys like you and me, we just speed bumps to them, man. They chase after street gangs out of town because they want to play ball. You think they're gonna be scared of you?
They should be.
Expect great things at your race tonight, Navarro. Instead, you disappointed a lot of people. Mind explaining this?
It's already taken care of.
Let's do this.
Good. Good. You're gonna need a crew.
Five-star ride, mate. See ya.
Focus, Mac. Gotta get through this. Find your smile. Hey! Hush, puppy. Big fan of your channel.
It's #Tiger.
Yeah.
Tiger selfie.
No,
Here we go.
no, man.
Roar!
Selfie.
Come on, big roar. Roar!
Raw.
Epic.
Get in the car. What the hell? What kind of music is this?
Hash Tiger here live from the Hashmobile with the Driftmeister Mac McAllister. Give us the 411 on drifting, Mac.
Right. It's simple, really. Just get to a high speed, then steer hard. Here, check it out. Nailed it. I can do this all night.
Tiger selfie!
Yeah, baby.
LOL!
Did you just low out loud? And there you have it.
Go again, but like, really go hard.
Look, I don't want to...
Customer's always right.
Fine. You know what? We'll go to my favorite drift run. Great job on the setup, by the way. Lighting up those tires is a piece of cake.
Setup?
Let me guess. This car was already set up for drifting when you bought it.
Duh. Where'd you learn to drive like that anyway?
London. I ran with a crew from Hackney that boosted cars when I was young and stupid. I learned to drift corners for speed and got damn good at it.
That's straight up OG, fam.
Please don't say that.
Is that why you came to America? To escape your criminal past?
Nah, man, it's not like that. This is the land of SUVs, muscle cars, and open roads, mate. Perfect place for a fresh start.
Sounds like you made it. I'm about to make you insta-famous.
Yup. Some of us have all the luck.
Any advanced drifting tips for the Tiger Cubs listening? Do you have, like, a drift button or something?
Yep, that's it. Just press the drift button. There, real music. This might get a little intense, Tiger. You better not get sick.
Are you kidding? I play lots of racing games.
Here we go.
Wow, this is intense.
I'm just getting started. There goes my finesse.
This is crazy. Can we stop? I'm not feeling well.
Can't hold it together?
I'll try.
Keep the focus, Mac. You're killing it.
This was a bad idea.
You said go hard. Customer's always right, remember? My bad.
Stop the car. Stop the car!
Whoa, 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 whoa! So, hush puppy. Hard enough for you? Tyler, is that you, bro?
Hey, Mac, Captain. It's been a while.
It's been a rough 6 months without the old crew.
You're telling me. Mac, I have a job in mind.
You off the leash? You know I'm always down.
Just like that. You're bored, aren't you?
So bored, mate. Is Jess on it too?
I'm working on it.
Hey, Mac. Did you get a shot of me puking?
Work faster.
Okay, boat's open. I'm in. Jimmy, cover me and watch for guards. Look at this hole.
You guys are late. I hate waiting.
What? Lady, we're in the middle of a robbery here.
Ah, Jimmy! We gotta get out of here.
Just so we're clear, you're paying for 2 extractions, 'distractions, no matter who makes it out alive.
This is crazy. Can we stop? I'm not feeling well.
Just so we're clear, you're paying for 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. 2 extractions, no matter who makes it! Okay, I know a guy. Hold on!
We're not gonna make it!
Oh, come on, this is just a bit of fun.
All patrols be advised. Possible robbery in the casino district. Sending units to investigate.
Miller!
You're doing this now? Jess, Tyler, you got a minute?
Tyler? Hey, stay on the tarp. If you bleed on the seat, I swear to God. Hey, Ty, really not a great time. Sorry.
Jess, wait, I got a plan.
6 months later and the first time I hear from you, you need something from me?
Jess,
Tyler, seriously, I'm a bit busy right now.
Confirmed robbery in casino district. Vehicle is a black Audi. One subject with possible GFW. Last seen heading north on Coolidge Street.
35 confirmed control on the lookout.
God damn it, Tyler. I told you this isn't a good time.
Yeah, what the hell, Tyler?
Let me talk to her. Hey, Jess.
Mac? Ty must be really desperate if he's pulling you in.
Nah, you know me. Just in it for the giggles.
Is this where you pitch me Tyler's plan?
No way. Wouldn't do it if I was you. He wants to take on Lena.
Lena? She's with the house now. Jesus Christ, you two. No way. I'm out.
How far?
Cut the waterworks. We're almost there.
Damn, you're already? You really are an escape artist.
It's what you pay me for. Tell the guy Jeff sent you. He'll patch you up.
Repeat. Suspect last seen in black Audi. Radio in with location.
Adam 35 with a possible match on North Carson Street.
Copy that. Sending additional units.
Put Mac on.
Look, Jess, this plan is foolproof. All we need is your...
Ty, Lena and the house. Put Mac on.
Can't help yourself, can you? You're interested.
The plan. How insane is it?
Oh, man, it's mad. There's stunts, crazy heist, nothing up your alley.
Lena alone screwed us 6 months ago. Now you want to take her on with the house? Look what happened to Rav.
It'll be different this time. With the three of us, we could do it.
The whole crew back together, huh?
Come back, Jess. Let's do this.
Tell him I'll think about it.
Suspect car last seen heading northbound to Liberty Desert.
1 out of 13 en route. Adam 13 to control. I located black Audi. Show me in pursuit. Request backup.
Copy that. Sending additional units your way.
I built this ride just for you boys. Let's dance.
What is your location of travel now?
Now heading westbound through Louisville.
Copy, 1 Adam 35.
Subject now southbound on I-34 Amber Valley Parkway.
Copy. Subject heading southbound on I-34 Amber Valley Parkway.
Hope you can take a hit.
Now heading southbound approaching the barrio.
Copy. Subject vehicle going southbound approaching Mario.
Come here!
Control subject is falling.
Got him. They got loose. Back in pursuit. Copy that, Adam 6. What is your current location? Now head southbound through Silver Rock. Copy that.
186, TC, our units down. We're out of pursuit.
Jesus, what am I wanted, dead or alive?
1 Adam 13 visual on subject has been lost.
Adam 13, what is your location of travel now?
Now heading eastbound on I-620 Providence Parkway.
Copy that. Eastbound on I-620 Providence Parkway.
Jess, hey.
So, about this stupid plan of yours.
It's not... Yeah?
Let's meet. Where are you?
This is the dumbest plan I ever heard. I left the game because of crap like this.
The best crew in town always gets a racer in the rush. So all we have to do is beat all the Silver Rock street leagues and I'm in. Mac will handle the off-road and drift. I'll do the rest.
What about the house? They control every dirty deal in town.
Well, that's where you come in. They'll have a bulletproof setup. Talk to your underworld contacts, figure out what it is, then we take it out.
So, win the race, watch the house burn while we count our piles of cash.
Simple.
Fame, fortune, Leah Navarro getting what she deserves. You idiots are gonna get yourselves killed without me. Guess I'm in.
Yes!
Raph? You know we can't pull this off without our master engineer.
You're so full of it. If you're that desperate, I'm in as well, and you can use my garage, but there are a few conditions. First...
Whoa! The crew's back together, baby!
Serenity, no. Either of you fools even have a car?
Oh, I sort of lost mine. It's a long story.
Seriously? There are cars in the back. Clients who never paid. I'm surrounded by... good old 87 Buick GN. The Mark 1...
Good choice. Nothing compared to my rides, but it'll do.
I thought all you did was tune them up.
All right, you just earned yourself an ass-kicking. How'd you like that 0 to 60?
Not bad. Let's see if it's enough to keep you in the lead.
Come on, Tyler, race me. This ain't valet parking. 6 months, Tyler. What were you doing out there?
That was the deal. Work for the gambler or go to jail.
What's changed now?
He had plans for me, but I convinced him mine were better. So here we are.
Tyler, you know I'm done with that life. We had a good run, but I'm a mechanic. I've got a good thing going out here.
She double-crossed us, Raph. You don't want to see her stopped?
Man, I'd still give anything to see what's under the hood of that gun exec. But I'm done being angry. I found my peace.
Well, I'm happy for you, I guess. You're not holding back, are you? Please don't hold back.
Oh, I won't. You realize this won't end with Navarro, right? You know who she works for, what she represents. No one has ever gone up against the house and won. You know that.
First time for everything. Guess it's back to the garage with you. Skill always wins over raw power. Hey, Mac, where'd you two disappear to?
Raph didn't have what I needed. We're off to the dealership to find me some off-road wheels.
Word.
Oh, yeah.
You good for this? I can lend you some money.
Nah, sis, I'm good. I pulled out my savings.
So what do you want to be when you grow up?
Michael Jackson. Which one are you going for, Mac?
The WR, the Land Rover 110. Whew, they haven't changed the shape.
Looks like I can walk faster than that thing.
Ouch. It's okay, baby. She didn't mean it. Now, I'll have to kick your ass. Race to the airfield? You take the streets, I'll take off-road. See who's slow then.
Why are you really doing this, Mac?
What do you mean? We get a mega payoff and get to kick Navarro's ass. What's not to like?
I know you, Mac. It's not that simple. I've been a personal crusade, but that's not you.
Straight talk, Jess. After we split, I had nothing. Doing odd jobs for cash. And sometimes, that meant the house.
You took a gamble and lost. You did what you had to do.
Coming to America's been one big wager. Besides, it's not gambling if you know you're gonna win. You got your own thing, Jess. You don't need us. Why are you in?
Someone's got to watch out for Ty. Taking on a street league to get into an impossible race? He's angry and fixated on Navarro, and he's going to need us.
So you think we got a chance?
After it all went down, we didn't hear from him for 6 months. If he's back, he believes he can win. And I'm not letting a brother go to war alone.
Ha! I knew it. You missed us.
Look, Mac, I'll support you guys as long as you're not idiots. I'm in it for you two, not the bros.
I know you, Jess. You won't be able to help yourself. Ah, yeah.
I'll admit, I didn't think you could pull it off.
Ha! You don't win anything by playing safe.
Point taken, but I'll stick to the roads, thank you very much.
Hey, Ralph, what's up?
Nice ride you got there, Mac. Why don't you bring her around to the garage?
Be right there.
I've cleared up this space for you three. Feel free to leave your cars here, tune them up, paint them, work on your style. Why don't you try a bit of upgrading first? See if you can get some extra performance out of those cars. I have a few parts lying around the shop. Just put everything back where you found it. Understood?
What do you got, Rav?
I know of 2 leagues worth your time out here in the desert. This one is a racing league called the Graveyard Shift, led by La Katrina. Bunch of kids with a death wish and a taste for the dramatic. Mac, second league's for you. League 73, an off-road crew led by some bastard named Udo. Lately they've taken to racing around the airfield and smashing up my prototypes.
तो गाइस आज की इस गेम प्ले में इतना ही। अगर आपको ये गेम प्ले पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।
Time to check out League 7.